Maybe you can tell us just quickly about the company and the products here. I know it caught my eye because of the slide out technology, which I've been telling people for a long time that we could learn a lot from the shipbuilding industry, the RV industry, you know, how to build better in construction. So maybe you could tell us a little bit about the product and the type of buyer that would want this.
So those two houses are ours. We're a factory based in China, and we're like doing prefabrication for those like expandable houses. So this slab model here, everything you see here is actually finished in a factory, including a bathroom, kitchen, and everything in the bathroom like shower or toilet is pre-plumbed, and all the like electrical is wired in the factory. So it's basically plug and play after the house arrive on site. And the slide out part here is actually you have to do it manually, so it's being pushed out, and you can slide it in. So when we ship those, we ship it inside a 40-foot high cube container. That's like easy to ship, and it's very easy to set up. For this one, probably if you have like 4 or 5 guys, you can finish it in 1 day.
1 day?
Yeah, 1 day you have it. So basically, if like for all the offsite situation, like for mining or for camping, or like in the trailer park, you can have one of those. It's easy, and the price is very good.
One thing I've been doing some research on over the last couple of years is off-grid villages. And they don't necessarily need foundations or say, like you say, campgrounds. Another thing we're seeing more and more of are resort developers that are basically, instead of building a 200-room resort, they do like 100 of these spread throughout the property, the forest, or whatever the case is. So that sounds like that would be good. But also maybe another use case is the growing demand for ADUs, accessory dwelling units, in California, New York. All the laws have been changing over time.
Yeah, so like that's a perfect solution for that. Also, like for emergency situation, if a lot of house got damaged, that's the way to go. Like you can have like hundreds of this unit to build it like in 1 or 2 days.
Wow.
And it's really like, especially that one, has 2 bedroom, shower, kitchen, looks like a house. So you can actually live in there, either for temporary use or for, you know, permanent. Either way works. Yeah.
So that really rings true with me, just because I got started in construction doing disaster relief, and that's where I really fell in love with construction. So I do love the thought of that, especially like places that are ravaged by fires. So we're gonna do some more footage around here and get a good look at it. But maybe you could just tell everyone the name of the company.
So yeah, you can check it here. So it's all spelling in Mandarin spelling. So it's a factory based in China, and we're like on YouTube, or we have a website. You can find us by the spelling of here.
I'll just say I'm here with Jake. This is Tim with Dave Cooper Live. Thanks for spending some time with us today.
Thank you.